Top 7 Legit Ways to Earn Money Online. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our finance-focused YouTube channel. Today, we've got an exciting video for you as we dive deep into the world of online earning. Whether you want to supplement your income, achieve financial freedom, or build a thriving online business, these 7 legitimate methods will pave the way to your financial goals. So grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes on these money-making opportunities. 1. Freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, freelancing has become an excellent option for individuals with various skills. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, web developer, or even a virtual assistant, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase your expertise and connect with clients from around the globe. Freelancing offers flexibility, the ability to work on exciting projects, and the potential to earn a substantial income. If you're dedicated and deliver quality work, the positive reviews and referrals will come pouring in. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing, a powerful way to monetize your online presence. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with companies and promote their products or services through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. You can incorporate affiliate marketing into your website, blog, social media channels, or even your YouTube videos. By focusing on niches relevant to finance, such as personal finance software, investment platforms, or online courses on financial literacy, you'll attract a targeted audience and maximize your earnings. 3. Online surveys. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to make some extra cash, online surveys might be just what you need. Numerous market research companies like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research pay users for sharing their opinions and participating in surveys. While you won't get rich from surveys alone, they can be a convenient way to earn gift cards, PayPal cash, or other rewards in your spare time. Plus, some survey sites offer focus groups and product testing opportunities, which often come with higher payouts. 4. Selling handmade products. Are you a creative soul with a knack for crafting unique handmade products? If so, platforms like Etsy are tailor-made for you. Etsy is a marketplace dedicated to handmade and vintage items, as well as craft supplies. Whether you excel at pottery, jewelry making, woodworking, or any other craft, you can set up your own online shop and sell your creations to a global audience. Make sure to optimize your shop with eye-catching photos and thorough product descriptions to attract potential buyers. 5. E-commerce and dropshipping. Building an e-commerce store and using dropshipping can be an excellent way to start an online business without the hassle of maintaining inventory. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify, you can set up your own online store and offer products from suppliers who handle the storage, packaging, and shipping. This means you can focus on marketing and customer service while earning a profit on each sale. Look for finance-related products that align with your target audience's interests, such as financial planning tools, budgeting software, or investing guides. 6. Content creation and YouTube. Are you passionate about creating videos and sharing valuable insights with the world? YouTube can be an incredible platform to showcase your expertise and build a loyal following. By consistently uploading high-quality content focused on finance-related topics, you can attract subscribers and grow your channel's viewership. As your channel gains traction, you'll become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, which enables you to earn money through ad revenue and potentially explore sponsored content and brand partnerships. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and engaging content that resonates with your audience. 7. Online courses and ebooks. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing offer fantastic opportunities for subject matter experts to monetize their knowledge. If you have in-depth knowledge in finance-related areas, such as investment strategies, budgeting techniques, or tax planning, consider transforming that expertise into a comprehensive online course or a valuable ebook. These digital products can generate passive income for years to come, while also establishing you as an authority in the finance niche. There you have it, our top 7 legitimate ways to earn money online in the finance niche. Remember, success in online earning often comes from finding the methods that align with your skills, interests, and target audience. Don't be afraid to try different approaches. And remember that consistency and determination are key to building a sustainable online income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future finance-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and happy earning.